Imagine you're scrolling through your phone, checking your bank account, and feeling a pang of dread as you see your dwindling balance. Ever wished you could manage your finances from the comfort of your laptop instead of being tied to your phone? Well, today, we're diving into that very question. Does PocketGuard have a web app? PocketGuard is a popular personal finance app that's known for its simplicity and ease of use. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings goals. But what about those times when you're at your computer, working on a project, or simply prefer the larger screen? Does PocketGuard offer a web-based solution? Unfortunately, as of right now, PocketGuard doesn't have a dedicated web app. While it's a fantastic mobile app, you'll need to use your smartphone or tablet to access and manage your finances using PocketGuard. Exploring alternatives. But don't worry, there are still ways to access your PocketGuard data on your computer. Here are a few options. Mobile browser. You can open your mobile browser on your computer and navigate to the PocketGuard website. This will give you a simplified version of the app, but it might not have all the features of the native mobile app. Browser extensions. Some users have reported success with using browser extensions to access PocketGuard on their computers. However, the quality and reliability of these extensions can vary, so proceed with caution. The future of PocketGuard Web. While there's no official word on whether PocketGuard plans to develop a web app in the future, it's always possible that they might introduce one down the line. As the demand for web-based financial tools grows, it wouldn't be surprising to see PocketGuard expand its offerings. So, to answer the question, no, PocketGuard currently doesn't have a web app. However, there are workarounds that you can try if you prefer using your computer. Keep an eye on PocketGuard's updates and announcements, as they might introduce a web-based solution in the future. In the meantime, if you're looking for a reliable personal finance app that's easy to use and offers a variety of features, PocketGuard is definitely worth considering. Give it a try and see how it can help you take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about PocketGuard or personal finance in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy saving.